Welcome to MAC.BID. In this video, we'll go over how to navigate our app as well as how to bid. First, find the MAC.BID app on your smartphone. Now that you've explored the app and found an item you want to win, let's bid on it. Now that you've selected your item, it's time to explore the product page. On the top of the product screen, you can see an image of your product, as well as images of the product on our scan line. Under the product photos, you will see the item's current bid price, the item's price at retail, and time left before the auction closes. Here you can also add the item to your watch list or set a 5-minute reminder to alert you before the auction closes. Scrolling down your screen will show you the item's product information, showing the item's condition code, description, and other product details. Next, you will see the item's location in the warehouse for pickup and inspection. Finally, you will see auction information about the item, including pickup policies and the auction details. Now that you've familiarized yourself with the item's details, it's time to bid. To place a bid, click on the Bid Now button on the bottom of the screen. Pay close attention to the details of your auction before you bid, so that you can ensure you are able to pick up your item when you win. Click Bid Now. Here you can see the item's current bid price, as well as the item's retail price. Next to that, you will see a live countdown showing the item's time left in auction. Beneath the item's bid price and timer is the item's warehouse location and its transferability. Now it's time to bid. To simply outbid the current bid on the item, all you need to do is swipe the bottom of your screen. If you want to bid more than $1 over the current bid, or don't want to constantly be outbid on your item, we recommend using the max bid. A max bid is the maximum you are comfortable spending on an item. Your max bid will only outbid lower bids by $1, meaning you can win your item for less than your max bid if no one matches your price. To set your max bid, click on the max bid price drop-down on the right side of the screen. To assist bidders, MAC.BID has a suggested max bid price, a value that this item or similar items have been auctioned off for in the past. To set your own price, simply drag and slide the bid bar. To bid your max bid, simply swipe. Depending on the item, bidders also have the opportunity to purchase buyer's assurance. Buyer's assurance is MAC.BID's ability for bidders to ensure their purchases. By paying a small buyer's assurance fee, bidders are able to return your purchased item for a refund. See MAC.BID for more details. Buyer's assurance is a great option for bidders who are unable to inspect their products before bidding. You can now see that you're winning the item. All items you are bidding on are automatically added to your watch list, where you are able to keep an eye on your potential winnings or place another bid if you're outbid. Make sure to turn on notifications to be alerted when you are outbid, and to check back nightly at 8 p.m. when new auctions are posted. And now you're set to bid, win, save with MAC.BID. If you have any questions or need assistance, our customer service team can help. Happy bidding!